Hey guys, I am doing a little bit different of a background that I've been wanting to try. So I'm going to tape this off and kind of get somewhat of an angle, a triangle that I want. It's just something in the background to add a little extra something. And, well, let me get this started again. Okay. I couldn't get the... Well, it's did it again. Jeez. This is 1,000 years old, so I can understand. Let's see. And something... in that order. Okay. Once you get your design mapped out, I just take an X-Acto knife and kind of go through and barely cut my tape. And then I follow one of the lines down to cut it. And when you pull your tape, don't just pull up. You want to pull it like this, and it more than likely will not tear on your paper. Okay, now I'm going to spray this background, and I will be right back. All right, I am back from outside. Got that sprayed a little bit. Let's take this off. Now, it just gives you a little fun background. Alright, let's do our flower, pitch black. Let's see. I think I want it actually right here. I'll put a little bit above that. Now this is going to act a little different because there's something already down on the paper. It's not going to spread, so you'll have to go in and maybe make it as big as you want. Something I want to do different, because I've done the all pitch black one. I think I want to do something with a little bit of crimson, maybe. Let me find it. Cranberry crimson. All right, I'm just going to put a drop. So something in a petal will show up. It'll show up somewhere in it. Alright, that is going to just spill all over for me. Alright, okay, sorry the angle's changed on my phone, and I just realized it and now I'm correcting it. Okay, so let's start putting in our drops and putting in our petals. You can tell I've got red all over me now. Let's see that. And you're going to have boo-boos like that. So I am going to put very little alcohol in another bottle, because the less you have, the more it won't just spurt out on you like that. Unless you squeeze too hard, and then it shoots out. Alright, I need to get a couple more drops on this side to get these longer. There we go. I have to move it, otherwise I can't see my drops. Right. Alright, see that boo-boo? I can fix that. Just go right on top of it. It reactivates everything. what I think. No, we'll keep going. All right, I want to put one in the middle because I don't like that. So I'm going to do a good drop, couple drops. And I would like to have one strong one through that center. And I'm going to do one dark one there, and then I think that will be it. One more, then we're done. Okay, this is something you can keep playing with and playing with and playing with, and obviously I like to keep playing. Okay, so I'm going to stop on that, and let's do the top of the flower. I need my black marker. Just kind of get an idea what I'm liking. And I think that's good. And something I like to do, instead of using the white all the time, I'll take like a light gray and let that start playing a little bit. If you think you have too much dark, which I think I do, lift some of that off. Then you go in with the light gray. That's still too dark. Y'all get to see all my blunders today. But that's a good thing because you get to see how to correct some of the mistakes or the things you don't like. Warp some of that up. I'm not real fond of this shape, so I'm going to make it a little wider. Okay, I may stop with there. Anyway, I hope this gave you some ideas on what you may want to do in your background, and hopefully you won't have as many mistakes as I did. All right, y'all go have fun.